Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you, friends? I hope you are all fine. Today I am back with very beautiful and very stylish collection of crochet work handbags. In this video, you will see different designs of a handbag with crochet work. And I hope you love all the designs of handbags. You can see in this video all designs of crochet work handbags are so beautiful and so stylish, and also in different color. As we know, girls are not leave with her bags. She carries with her bags wherever she goes. So bags are very necessary for girls. So guys, I have uploaded many designs of handbags with crochet work. So you just watch this video till then and you will get many useful ideas and many useful designs of handbags. And you make handbags yourself if you have a little knowledge about crochet work. So you just watch this video and you will get many ideas of handbags with the crochet work. And this collection is very useful for casual wear, for party wear also. You can see in this video all designs of handbags are so beautiful and so stunning. And I hope you love all the designs of crochet handbags. And if you loving all the designs of handbags, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel. And also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get my new videos notification. And you never miss any video and any collection on my channel. And guys, also tell me in comment section how was the video, how was the design which you want to see on my channel, so that I can bring my next videos according to your choice. Because as I always saying that your choice is very important for me. You also tell me in comment section which videos I should upload on my channel. That is very useful for you. I always trying to bring a useful collection for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends. See you soon in next videos with amazing collection, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family. Remember me in your prayers, and one thing more, be positive always. Allah Hafiz.